with Enhanced Movements, Boulder County's premier chiropractic pain and injury consultant. Today we're going to be reviewing for our Movement Monday episodes the three-point row. Three-point row is a great exercise, and as indicated in the name, we're working on the rowing or the pulling motion. We're going to be bringing a weight closer to us, okay? Now, three-point row, 3 points of contact. We're going to have our hand on a box, on a counter, on a bench, or on your stairs, while our feet are going to then be anchored on the ground. Now, you can do a three-point row with different stances, staggered stance with your feet. You can go off to the side like this, but the point is to have 1, 2, 3 points of contact. I like doing mine with a stagger stance just because when I'm rowing, I like having this back leg out of the way so I can do a lower row and get a little bit more back involvement, okay? So, weight's going to be here. We're going to hinge down. We're going to grab our weight. We got our post up here. Okay, so I'm nice and anchored. Notice back heel is up for me. You can have it straight out. It doesn't really matter. What we do like, though, is to still try to maintain somewhat of a straight-ish back. We're not here rounding, right, just because that's going to round my thoracic spine. I want to try to flatten everything out. Now, this posts me up, so I'm supported. I'm less concerned about the weight pulling me forward, but we still want to try to just line that up so I can get everything working as wanted. So, 1, 2, 3 points of contact here. And that's our row, okay? Now, rowing, right, we can just pull straight towards the chest. We can pull down a little bit lower, right? There's a lot of different variations here. You can kind of come out to the side a little bit more. There's not a right or a wrong, okay? But things that I want you to think about, right, just like we're doing with some of our other movements for pulling motions when we're talking about a single arm, there's an element of this anti-rotation also going on. Yes, I'm posted up, so that helps me, but as I'm going through this motion, I don't want to be doing my row where I'm adding an extra twist to it, and then vice versa, as I'm coming down, I don't want to let that weight win and pull me down forward. So what's nice is you actually do get an element of core work in doing these three-point rows because you're resisting that anti-rotation movement that the weight's trying to pull you into. So that's your three-point row. Post up, get a nice heavy weight, whatever, implement it into your program, whatever you're doing for sets and reps. If you have any questions, as always, you guys can reach out to us. But if you're not doing three-point rows, I think you'll find them super beneficial and they really work back well. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next week.